What's up, guys? Mario Galaxy's coming soon, so let's draw Yoshi. So, holding the egg. I'm on a landscape page. This would work portrait. I'm on a landscape page though. Use a pencil, use an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So, I think I'll start with his big nose, or his big dino snout. So we'll go with this curve, like a big curve around for the nose area. And it's really round, so it goes like the whole way back and in to where we started even. It's kind of like a balloon shape even, nearly. Like if you put the string this way. And then he has two nostrils. Just black little pointy nostrils. And then another one sort of here. So his eyes then, we have the large eye, so it comes out and around. Long sort of circle shapes. Back into his nose there. And then the other one just beside it. And then we have his blue eyes, right? So again, they're kind of oval. They're not like circly. Kind of a long circle. And then his pupil black inside. You just color this black. You could leave a white shine somewhere if you wanted as well. Or you could use white paint to put the shine on top. And then we'll go up and over. Twice, and then we'll color it black again. And so then his green skin coming around his eyelids, two bumps, and it goes down the back of his head. This comes out then for his cheek, big round cheek. And his mouth is open, you can kind of see his lizard sort of tongue just inside the mouth. So his chin curves around, like so. And then we'll put the inside lip coming down from here, say, like so. And then that tongue, is it just round on top? I think it is. So it's just sort of like a little round pink fleshy thing. Just round in there. And he squirts it out, obviously. The side of his mouth is like that. So he has like a skin color change here. You can draw it in, or you could just do it with color, but I'll just like put it in lightly just so you know where it is. Just like a little broken line. You don't have to draw that way, it's just so you know where the color is. And then spikes. Little dino round ones. And we can see like a bit of his neck. Where would it be? Like here. Like a tiny little bit. So his belly comes out this way. And then he's an arm here and an arm going that way. So we'll do this one first. So we'll go out for his elbow. And then the inside of his arm there. And then we got his hand. So it goes around like so. So that's like the middle finger maybe. So I will do another one out here. It's got 3 fingers all together. So 1, 2, and then a third. And then just the bottom of his hand here. And then I think we can see a little bit of his thumb. So his other arm is holding an egg. So his arm just flies out this way. And then you can just kind of see it going around, loosely kind of just going around the egg, holding onto it. With cartoon type fingers, you know, they're not a lot of detail in them. Just the palm of his hand kind of there. And the other one that goes around the egg, kind of there. So then the egg comes out from the hand. Down. And we have 3 green circles. One. Two on the third. Right, so we can see his shell on his back here. That sort of red shell. Reddy brown kind of. It's kind of got some like textures just on it like that, just to make it look bumpy. And then he's got a big tail. And it kind of lines up with his belly. You know, imagine if he was like a snake and he didn't have any legs. So this would go the whole way around. And then he's running, so he's got like a leg coming out this way. Like that. And then he has a white line on his belly. So again, sort of like a white coloring. That's white in there and green on that side. Then his boots, it's just the top of them. There, real sort of round tops. And the sole of it kind of goes this way. And then the heel. And then the bottom part, so it comes around in, back up to there. Yeah, and then this comes over. Like so. It's kind of like dirty underneath. And then his last leg, just here. The boot again. Just very round, cartoony style shoes. Like so. And that is it. That is how to draw Yoshi for Mario Galaxy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.